Hi, in this video we're going to further explore expressing powers using a different base. Remember that the base of a power is just the larger number on the left. So we want to express this power here, the 16 to the power of 3p minus 8, in the form 2 to the power of something. Now with these kind of questions, you want to notice that the 16 here, the base here, is itself a power of 2, because we're trying to write it as a power of 2. So we think, can this 16 be written as a power of 2? Well, yes, 16 is 2 to the power of 4. If we just write at the side here, 16 is 2 to the power of 4. Now, how are we going to use that to write this expression here as 2 to the power of something? Well, let's just copy it out. We've got 16 to the power of 3p minus 8. Now, as we said, 16 is 2 to the power of 4. So what we're going to do is we're going to replace the 16 with 2 to the power of 4 in brackets. The reason for the brackets is because we can then raise that whole thing to the power of 3p minus 8. So we can copy this index here down like that. Yep. So all we've done is we've replaced the 16 with 2 to the power of 4. But now we can use laws of indices, because remember, if you have, for example, I don't know, x squared to the power of 4. If you raise a power to a power, you can multiply these indices. So you just do 2 times 4 is 8. So you would get x to the power of 8, like that. So we can use that same law here. We're raising a power to a power, so we just multiply these indices together. So we just need to do the 4 times the 3p minus 8. So that's going to give us 2 to the power of, well, we can imagine this as 4 times 3p minus 8 with brackets like this. But you could skip to the final answer if you wanted to. And then if we do the 4 times the 3p, that's 12p. And the 4 times the minus 8 is minus 32. And now we've got our answer in the form 2 to the power of q like this. So it says we want to state state q in terms of p. So if this is equal to 2 to the q, which is the form we want, we can just equate these powers because they're both 2 to the power of something. So we can see that the 12p minus 32 has to be equal to that q. So we've got that q is equal to 12p minus 32. And we are done.